Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I am participating in the Fall Cozy Corner Challenge being hosted by Arlynn of Arlynn's Country Craft Corner and Cam of Sweet Daisy Creations. Please check out their channels as well as the playlist, which I will have linked below when it's available. I'm sure you'll get lots of fun and festive cozy corner ideas for your fall decor. As you can see, I created my cozy corner by my family room fireplace, and I used mostly items that I had on hand with a few florals that I picked up from Dollar Tree this year that I've shown in a haul video. So I'm going to take you on a tour and start at the top of the fireplace with the mirror. I keep this mirror over my fireplace all the time, and I just hung this wreath on here with a suction cup hook that I attached to the mirror. You can see it there. I actually had done a video on how I created this wreath for fall, but I lost the footage because my camera storage got full. But this is a boxwood wreath that I originally got right before Easter this year, and I used it in my spring Easter brunch tablescape. And then I just added flowers to it that were from Dollar Tree and a few like these buttercup looking ones that I had on hand. And I just poked them into the wreath. I didn't glue anything because I like to take my wreaths and other decor apart and reuse them in different ways. So I didn't want to have anything stuck in there with glue. So they're just pushed in, and I tried to do an arrangement kind of dividing the wreath into 6 parts and have it go equally around the wreath. Moving down to the mantle, you will see the wreath I created, the garland that I created as part of the Fall Dupe Challenge. I started with a base garland of oak leaves, and I already had the ribbons attached to it, these 3 ribbons here, but then I had added these pumpkins to it. And then in order to finish decorating it for the fall, I put in some of my Target birds. These are ones that I've shown in my Target bird collection. And then in the back I put the candle arrangements that I made with the popcorn that I showed in another video. As we move along, you can see more of the flowers that I got from Dollar Tree to tie in with the ones I put in the wreath. And then I have this fall sign that I purchased, I believe last year, from Target Dollar Spot. And then I moved down this way, some more Target birds and another candle holder and another bird and more pumpkins. I like to have my mantles be very symmetrical. And normally I put some taller items on the end. I'm going to keep this arrangement up through Thanksgiving, and I will be adding some items to it for Thanksgiving once we get past Halloween. So there's a look at the top half of my mantle for my cozy corner. And now I'll go down to the bottom half. Down here you'll see the urns I showed in another video where I was trying to decide how I wanted to decorate them. And I ended up using the pre-made picks because the flowers tied in very nicely with the flowers that I have added to the garland on the top of the mantle. However, I did add some spiky yellow florals, and I also added in some twigs that came from another leaf bundle that I had on hand that I deconstructed. Then on top of my reddish decorated candlesticks, I decided to put these off-white pumpkins. Now I've had these for a number of years. They're getting kind of old, and I had been actually thinking of painting them this year. If you get closer, you can actually see there's a little bit of cracking on them. I've had these, oh gosh, over 10 years at least. And I thought the white pumpkins tied in with the suede ones that I have up here, as well as the creamy white flowers that I have in all of the arrangements. And then next to that I have my lantern. I only have a couple of lanterns, and in this I just put a orangey rust colored candle, and I thought that color brought some of the orange from the flowers in. And one reason I added the taller pieces to the floral bouquets that were pre-made is that I wanted to have a stair-step effect of the pumpkin on the candlestick being the tallest item, and then the flower arrangement, and then the lantern. And I have that same arrangement on the other side. Again, I like symmetry. And then lastly, in the middle, I have a basket with a tea towel in it. And this basket and tea towel actually were part of a Mother's Day present that my husband gave me many, many years ago as well. And I have put this cornucopia in here because it's easier to move this whole arrangement if it's in the basket. Plus, we were supposed to have a basket, a ladder or table as part of the basis for our cozy corner display. And I often have had just a bunch of gourds and this leaf spray here in the cornucopia, but this year I decided to make an actual arrangement. Normally I just kind of stuff them in there. So if I didn't lose this footage, I think I'll be having another video, or it will already have posted, on how I put the cornucopia together. But I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I've had that cornucopia for many, many years. I think I got it at Pier 1 maybe 15 years ago. I don't really remember. Here's a look at the front of the spray that I created. So I'm looking forward to using this fireplace and having, oops, sorry, I backed into a chair. And enjoying my cozy corner throughout my fall season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to check out all the participants in the challenge by using the link down below, and also Arlynn and Kim's channels. If you liked my cozy corner, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing so that you can see more videos like this one. Thanks again for tuning in. And I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care.